Okay, so now we will perform some more operations, signal addition operations on signals. So we have again the unit step and ramp signal, basic test signals. So in this case we will perform this signal operation, RT minus UT. Okay, so you can treat it as RT plus minus UT or directly as RT minus UT. For that we have to again invert it and then we have to perform addition, so it is same as directly performing the subtraction. Okay, so for that what we have to do, the basic principle of signal addition, at each of these time instants we have to add the respective signal amplitude. Okay, so RT minus UT. Okay, so at time t equals to 0, here the amplitude is 1. In case of UT, here it is 0. So RT minus UT means 0 minus 1, which is minus 1 here. See, minus 1 here. Then at t equals to 1, here the amplitude is 1 in case of RT, here it is also 1. So at t equals to 1, it is 0, the resultant signal. Then at t equals to 2, the amplitude of RT is 2, but here it is 1 because it is constant. So here it is 2 minus 1, RT minus UT, 2 minus 1, which is 1 again. At t equals to 2, it is 1. Then at t equals to 3, it is 3 RT, but here it is still 1. So at t equals to 3, it is 3 minus 1, RT minus UT, 3 minus 1, which is 2. So the signal, it looks something like this. If we join these points, okay, starting from here, if we join these points, this is the signal. It is a little bit curvy, but it is straight. Okay, straight line. You just have to join the points. Okay, this is the signal, RT minus UT. We just have to consider the amplitude of these two individual signals at the time instants 0, 1, 2, 3 and add them. Simply add them. Okay. So previously we performed the signal operation RT minus UT. Okay, we subtracted the unit step signal from the ramp signal. So now we'll do the opposite. We will perform the signal operation UT minus RT. Okay, perform UT minus RT. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so same concept. At each of these instants we have to determine the respective amplitude and then subtract them. So here at t equals to 0, the amplitude for the unit step signal is 1. It is fixed for the entire positive interval. Here it is 0. So UT minus RT will become 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1 at t equals to 0. So t equals to 0, the amplitude is 1, this point. At t equals to 1 also the unit step amplitude is 1. Here it is 1. Ramp signal slope is 1, so at t equals to 1 it is 1. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0, this at t equals to 1. Then at t equals to 2, the value of the ramp signal is 2. Here it is 1. So 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. So at t equals to 2, it is minus 1. Here it is 2, here it is 1. Ut equals to 1, Rt equals to 2. So 1 minus 2, Ut minus Rt, 1 minus 2, it will be 1 minus 1 at t equals to 2. Then at t equals to 3, same here it is 1, but here it is 3. So 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2. So these are the points, amplitude at the respective time instance. So all we have to do is join them. This is the signal. Okay. So this is the concept. The same concept we will apply for all the signal addition operations. Okay. We just have to plot the amplitudes at the respective instance, time instance. Then we have to add them or subtract them as per the requirement. Then we have to join the points. Okay. And we'll get the resultant signal. Okay.